Hello, guys. Welcome to everyone that are tracking what is happening at Tex, and we are expanding into a no-code area more than ever. I wanted to present you what we have so far developed and tell more about like how we can help you. So, if you know, and nowadays platforms, no-code platforms that allow you to quickly create a solution. It can be Wix, Webflow, or Babel. Those platforms has limitations because the system is impacting you what actually you can do, and it's not so easy to request for a custom functional requirements from the service because they are handling and their target audience is like they are providing services for all the people, like for different customers, different size. At Tex, we are focusing on clients who really need a custom solution. They need development services, and their solution is too complex or too difficult to put it into the bubble. So, if you plan to do a proof of concept, MVP, you're a startup, or maybe you have developed already some code in any language, and you need our support, and you need the support to make this quickly runnable, maybe for investing or for gathering funds, for presenting it. I think we will provide you a best solution because our components are available based on the subscription basis. There is a different subscription that cover development time, and there is a different subscription that cover the time if you would like to go to a production, or there is as well an option to purchase the components we have and to use it in your product. So what I can present to you today is something that is generic for each application. So whatever you will do, what kind of application, you need authentication, you need authorization. So authentication is that user is identified by the system, identity is verified, and the system is allowed to enter into the system. Then we have the authorization layer, right? So permissions, roles, control to resources. This is as well what you will need if you have any kind of resources in your system. Organization management, members management, adding, removing the members to your organization, payments, notifications. Yeah, possibly I'm forgetting something, but this you have already in our setup. So how it looks, you come to us and you tell us like what is your main functional requirement, and in that way we really spend your budget in a wise way because we focus on your core problem, on your problem, or on your main problem domain. The things I listed, like authentication and authorization, this is a generic thing that each of the application or the system is needing, whatever you are developing. With us, you have access to all of those components, and we will create a microservice for you. And then, let's say, depending on the project complexity, it may take 1 to 2 months maybe to create a specific microservice that cover your problem domain. But if you would need to cover all of the areas that I mentioned, you would spend much more time to create the software. So if you want to run the software quickly, focus on your problem domain, which will allow you to spend your budget in a wise way, that's the way to go. Yeah, my time on this video will be almost done, so I'm not sure what I can show you. But yeah, it's just a simple authentication server. So I just pick up a 10 minutes page. You can sign up. Yeah, this API will be soon available, publicly. But if you would like to test it, let me know, and I will deploy it faster and will give you access to it. Okay, random password. Yeah, so not sure how much you will see, but now it covers all of the areas. So you can sign up, you can then sign in, reset password, confirming the resetting of the password, verifying the email. So this will send a SMS or email to your